This is episode 14. Staying hydrated. Drink water, feel great.
Leo had been playing in the sun all morning long.
Whoa! Why is everything spinning?
My head feels so fuzzy. And my mouth is so dry. Leo, when did you last drink water?
Water? I don't know. This morning, maybe?
Leo, that was hours ago. Your body has been asking for water this whole time.
But I felt fine before. I didn't notice.
That's the tricky part. Thirst sneaks up on you quietly.
Earlier that morning, Leo had been having too much fun to stop.
Leo, drink a little water before you run off. Later, Zara. I'm having too much fun.
And the fountain grew a little dimmer. And now, Leo understood.
The more I forgot, the weaker I felt. Just like the fountain.
I didn't like feeling dizzy and weak. It scared me a little. That's your body's way of asking for help, Leo.
Water helps your brain think, your body move, and your heart feel strong.
I never thought water could do all that. Teaching kids to listen to their thirst is one of the simplest gifts we can give their growing bodies. The good news is, your body forgives quickly, Leo.
Really? How do I feel strong again?
With the 5 magic hydration steps, of course. Let's begin the Splash Oasis Challenge.
I'm ready. I want to feel strong again.
5 magic steps will bring the fountain and you back to full sparkle.
The fountain waited quietly, ready to come back to life.
And the very first step starts with something right in front of you. Step 1, drink water first thing when you wake up.
A big glass, right when I open my eyes.
And just like that, a tiny sparkle appeared.
Step 2, panned. Drink water before you feel thirsty.
So I shouldn't wait until my mouth feels dry.
Step 3, tied. Drink extra water when you play in the sun. Especially on hot days like today.
The fountain glowed a little brighter still.
Step 4, canned. Choose water instead of sugary drinks.
Water is the best magic potion of all.
5, Kai. Carry water with you wherever you go.
So I'm always ready, even far from home.
The whole oasis began to shimmer with magic.
Makes your body strong. Sing along, sing along. Pa 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 da. Drink it up, drink it up. Feel the sunshine in your cup. Water makes your body strong. Sing along, sing along. Pa 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 da. Morning sip and midday too. Water helps me feel brand new. Drink it up, feel great with every cup. Every drop makes Leo grow, makes him shine and makes him glow. Blue and clear and cool and bright, water fills me with delight. Ha, 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 ha.
Leo Pano, take one big magic sip right now.
Leo cupped his paws and dipped them into the cool water. And he drank deeply and gratefully.
Ah, that's better.
Leo felt stronger with every single sip. The Splash Oasis was finally fully alive again.
You did it, Leo. You feel strong again.
Water really is a superpower. I'll never forget to drink it again.
And from that day on, Leo never forgot his water and never felt dizzy again.
Remember, Ty. Drink water when you wake up, before you're thirsty.
5 steps to feeling great.
Psst. Next time, something splashy and surprising happens at the Oasis. You won't believe it.
What could it be? Find out in the next big adventure.
Subscribe right now and don't forget, tap that bell. Ding, ding.
See you next time. Tiny learners, big habits.